Dear Aspirants, on popular demand, Drishti IAS brings to you its flagship course in English medium, Ethics, GS Paper 4 by Dr. Vikas Divyakirti, in live online mode on Drishti Learning App. Features include 4 classes in a week, total classes close to 50, special emphasis on conceptual clarity and answer writing skills, doubts, queries resolved in class, printed notes delivered to your doorstep, class tests for practicing answer writing, and class recordings with unlimited view time for 2 years. Admissions open. Batch starts on June 10, 2021. To register for this course, download Drishti Learning App or click the link given in the description below. For additional information related to this course, call 8010440440 or 7669806814.